Inspire Institute of Technologies Pakistan is offering you UKQ, UK approved, International Certificate in Hardware Installation course. Courses in computer hardware installation and repair are available through certificate, associate and bachelor's degree programs in computer information systems and technology, computer science and related fields. Training programs offered through vocational schools and certification organizations also include relevant computer hardware coursework. They also learn to master fundamental computer commands and operations, including how to access files and print documents. Admission open. For registration, call us on 92-321-5056-755 or WhatsApp us on 92-331-5999-937. Visit our website www.iitpakistan.com.pk or mail us at training@iitpakistan.com.pk.